वजीर-ए-Kharja बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी ने आलमी बिरादरी से पाकिस्तान के सैलाब मुतासरीन के लिए हंगामी इमदाद की अपील कर दी। दफ्तर खारजा इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब में बिलावल भुट्टो ने वाज़े किया कि हर गुजरता दिन सैलाब मुतासरीन के लिए क़यामत खेज़ साबित हो रहा है। पाकिस्तान पर मौसमियाती तब्दीलियों के असरात बुरी तरह मुरतब हुए हैं। मुतासरीन सैलाब की खुराक, छत और बहाली बड़ा चैलेंज है।
I would like to acknowledge and thank all our friends for the prompt financial support and relief assistance being provided by several countries as well as the United Nations, World Bank and Asian Development Bank. We need to expand and scale up these efforts and response. For that, we are launching the UN Flash Appeal for Pakistan Flood Response Plan 2022 today. The appeal prioritizes focused interventions in areas of education, food security, agriculture, health, nutrition, protection, shelter, and non-food items, water, sanitation, and hygiene. We also need assistance with livelihoods and livestock support, as well as relief, machinery, and equipment. We urgently need shelter and tents and mosquito nets, if they can be arranged and transported. This appeal is expected to address only part of the overall requirements and will therefore complement the broader effort. I would like to urge the international community to give its full backing to the Flash Appeal to help the people of Pakistan most in need.